Nothing in this world is immutable and changeless. Take the body. When young, your face is like a white water lily tinged with red, so handsome and lovely. Even if you are exquisitely beautiful, when you age and grow sallow, you too will be like a shriveled stump of rotten wood. By then, even you will be repulsed when you see yourself. You can only silently yearn for your long-lost youth, which will never return. How many people are willing to admire an aged body? No matter where or when, there has never been an exceptional individual for whom birth, aging, illness, and death do not exist. Even Chakravartin and Indra both displayed impermanence in the end. How could these frail, fleshly bodies of ours not wane and decay day by day? Since there is nothing in the external world or within ourselves that is constant and unchanging, what need is there to cling to what we now possess?